Welcome to this brief demonstration of the RadioHub Tactical Radio Networking System for P25 conventional radios from ADCOM Technologies. The RadioHub system provides a P25 standards-based digital voder, radio over IP, and tactical console applications. Built as a network-centric system, RadioHub eliminates the need for low-latency leased lines and microwave links for voted radio systems. A wide range of backhaul technologies are supported, including FirstNet, LTE, 5G, Starlink, and BGAN Inmarsat, among others. The system supports high jitter and high latency network connections and automatically adapts to changes in network characteristics in real time. While the RadioHub system is lightweight and easy to configure, it does not compromise on enterprise features, including FIPS 140 compliant end-to-end AES 256 encryption. P25 data services are fully supported, including OTAR and registration services, which have been successfully tested and validated against the U.S. federal government KMF system. An efficient, reliable software architecture allows for deployment on lightweight, battery-powered field devices, agency data center servers, or cloud-based virtual servers. Multiple servers can be combined to create a fully redundant voting solution with no additional license cost. Even low-powered field voters can support large radio networks of up to 5 independent voters, each sporting up to 50 base station radios or repeaters concurrently. The RadioHub system can be used with industry-standard VPN or SD-WAN systems, or can be provided with an integrated SD-WAN solution specifically tailored for tactical environments and degraded infrastructure. After downloading and installing the demonstration package, a pair of desktop icons will be created, providing access to the demonstration system. To start a self-contained local demonstration of the voder and dispatch system, double-click the RadioHub demo icon, and initially we will set up the inventory of radios. For each radio, I'm going to add 4. For each radio, we provide a name for that radio. Select the type of the radio from the list of available types. If your radio is not on the list, select generic DFSI version 1 or version 2 radio based on the capabilities of your radio. In our demonstration case, we'll be using Zetron MT4E radios, and then we provide the IP address for each radio and the control port for DFSI connections. At any point, we can come back to the screen and modify existing radios or add new radios. Once we've saved changes, we're ready to create a voder configuration. Next, we'll create a voder configuration. This configuration is going to be a marathon exercise, and we're going to be operating in base station or simplex mode rather than full duplex repeater mode. We will use all 4 radios in our inventory, and we can create friendly names for each of these radios for use in the dispatch and monitoring system. Once we set the dispatch names, we can save this configuration and give it a file name. Voder configurations are saved as plain text files. These files can be backed up and restored or emailed as attachments like any other file. Once it's saved, we can go ahead and start the voder. As the voder starts, it will connect with each radio and do a network profile to establish the latency and jitter characteristics with each network link, and then automatically set the voder window for each channel. We can now open the tactical radio console. The radio console provides a telemetry view into the status of the system and gives us the ability to monitor all incoming transmissions and transmit out across the base station radios.
This is an incoming non-encrypted transmission from a radio in the field. You can see that the currently voted base station radio is marked in dark green. Radios that are receiving a valid carrier but are not voted are in the lighter color of green. By default, the system will automatically select the most appropriate base station radio to reply to the incoming transmission and highlight that radio in red. When the transmit button is selected, that radio will automatically be used to transmit to the radio. Manual control is also available by clicking the TX buttons or selecting the appropriate radio from the transmit steering control at the bottom of the screen. The RadioHub system also fully supports AES encrypted transmissions. AES encrypted transmissions will show up in green in the status windows. Otherwise, functionality is identical to unencrypted transmissions. Each incoming and outgoing transmission is displayed on the RxTX activity on the right, and those transmissions can be replayed simply by double-clicking on the transmission. Each incoming and outgoing transmission is displayed on the RxTX activity on the right, and those transmissions can be replayed simply by double-clicking on the transmission.
In addition to the voter control panel on the left, there is a dispatch intercom panel on the right. This panel will display all logged-in dispatch users and will allow station-to-station or broadcast communication between the dispatch users without involving the radio network. Encryption is implemented in a full end-to-end fashion in the RadioHub system. Only the dispatch console and the subscriber units are keyed. The voter and other network components do not have the current encryption keys and do not handle unencrypted traffic. Recorded files, similarly, are stored in encrypted format, and the dispatch station has to have the encryption key in order to be able to replay those files. The server can be quickly stopped at any time, at which time the demonstration shell will return to the configuration editor, where changes can be made and the server can be restarted in seconds. The RadioHub system combines comprehensive capabilities with extreme ease of use and rapid deployment to create a solution ideal for tactical communication environments. The integration of AES encryption and OTAR services with a voter that provides dynamic, adaptive latency and jitter management result in a tactical communication system that can be relied upon in the harshest environments. Please contact Adcom Technologies for additional information or to arrange a fully functional demonstration download or an on-site demonstration of this innovative system. Thank you.